Hello guys and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amulya's Academy. We were discussing about matplotlib package, and in the previous tutorial we discussed about the legend function, that is how to add legend to the plot. And also we discussed about how we can change the location of the legend in the plot. Today we'll see how to place the legend outside the plot. So we can change the legend location using two keyword argument, that is LOC and BBX2 anchor. So first we'll see how to place the legend outside the plot using LOC keyword argument. So for that, here we need to take LOC. This is the same program which we used in the previous tutorial. Here we are plotting 4 set of data. Here we are setting x limit and y limit, x label, y label. We already discussed about this function previously. So here I'll take LOC as a set of two values. We can't place legend outside the plot using location string and location code, right? We need to use this tuple of two values. Here I need to enter two values, which will be the lower left corner of the legend. So here I'll take 1, 1 because we saw in the bounding box the values are nothing but 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1, right? So I'll take 1, 1 here and we'll execute this. We need to place legend here. So here we can see legend is placed here outside the plot, but we can't see it properly, right? So for that, here we need to use one function, plt tight layout. To fit the plot to the figure, we need to use this function. Now if I execute this, here we can see legend is placed here outside the plot, right? So here this is 1, 1. So we took location as 1, 1. So that will be the lowest left corner of the legend. So that's why it will place here. Now if I take y value as 0.5 and x value as 1. So here y value is 0.5. That is nothing but here. This will be the y value. X value is 1. So 1, 0.5 is nothing but this position. So it will be the lowest left corner of the legend. So legend will be placed here. Now if you want to place completely outside the plot, then you can take the x value as 1.1. Here we can see this is x as 1, right? So 1.1 is nothing but here. So 1.1, 0.5. This is the location and here it will place that. Or if I take this as 0, it will place here. This will be the 1.1, 0. Or if we take this as 0 and y as 1 or 1.01, it will place here. If I take this as 0.5, it will be placed here. 0.5, 1.01. So in this way we can place the legend outside the plot using LOC keyword argument. Next we can do this using bbox to anchor keyword argument also. And this bbox to anchor keyword argument will give more option. So for that, first I'll take location. I don't want default value, so I'll take it as upper right. And here I'll take bbox to anchor. So here I need to take x, y, width and height. So first I'll take only two values here. So width and height will be 0. So I'll take 0, 0. Sorry, should take equal to, because that is the keyword argument, right? That's why. And here we can see at 0, 0. And I mentioned upper right, right? So here it is placed. For this legend, it should be upper right, the bounding box. So legend will be placed here. If I take upper left, here it will place here. You can take lower left, lower right also. If I take lower right, it will place here. Or you can take it as 1, 1. So it will place here. If I take it as center, and if I take 1.01, 1.01, okay, it will place here. If I take 0.25, 0.25, So it will place here. So in this way we can place this legend outside the plot. We can use LOC keyword argument, or we can use bbox to anchor keyword argument. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.